Lucas, new year, you know what that means. What's in my camera bag, 2022 edition?
But it's the same as last year.
Yeah, that is a problem, isn't it? But here's the thing. The audience doesn't need to know that. So let's just like switch up a few things, like the camera. What are we using?
A7S III.
Still using that? Blech. One of the things I noticed in the last little while is engagement's been down. We need to like get them talking in the comment section. What would get them going? What would stir some controversy?
I got it. We tell them that our second camera is a Nikon.
Oh, that's bad. Lucas, you're so naughty. Okay, put it in the bag.
All right. And what about the bag itself? Do we want to change that up at all, or?
You know what was cool about last year is we hit 500,000 subscribers. Yay. And that makes us better than people now. So what camera bag tells everybody that we're better than them?
Louis Vuitton makes a $3,500 camera bag.
Louis Vuitton makes a $350 camera bag.
$3,500.
I mean, it's hideous, but we're gonna recommend it.
And think about the kickback you'll get on that one.
Lucas. This is why I'm still here and you're here, actually here. It's because you think too much about the money. We are a channel for the people, and that means that people trust us. This is all about trust, all right? So if we make bad recommendations only for money, people won't trust anymore. It's about community. We are not getting anywhere, okay? Let's try some exercises, okay? Here, follow along. I need you to follow exactly what I'm doing, okay? You're gonna put on your storytelling glasses and look through the lens of a digital storyteller and think about what digital storytelling tools help our digital storytelling audience tell better stories like you, the digital storytelling assistant to the digital storytelling guru. That is me.
Right. What if we actually just tell them what's genuinely in your camera bag because they want and trust your opinion?
I'm ashamed that you didn't put on the glasses, but I respect you.
Okay. So what about batteries and accessories and all that kind of smaller stuff?
Here's the thing, Lucas. You're thinking too literal. You're thinking like what we would literally put in our bag, what we would literally use. We are artists. What would an artist use? Think more abstract. Think more timeless.
Okay, hear me out. What if we tell the people to put down the camera and stop living their lives through a lens and just get out there and experience it?
Oh, man. That's good. That really makes you think. But here's the thing. See, people can't buy that, Lucas. You know what the saying is? New year, new gear. Not new year, I don't need to spend money anymore and not give Chris affiliate revenue. Do you understand? Sell, 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 money, money, money. It's who we are.
Can I be real with you for just a minute?
I don't pay you to be real with me for just a second.
Okay, I just think you're a lot more creative than this, and like it would be really nice to see you step outside of your creative comfort zone, push the boundaries a little bit, you know, new year, new content.
I am creative. Yeah, but we're not gonna do that. What are the small accessories that everyone should use?